This example, we have this function, f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 to the third times x to the third minus 1 to the fourth, and the question is to find the derivative. And we have to simplify our answer. All right, so for this one, we use the product rule. So the derivative is going to be equal to the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. All right, now we take these, figure out these two derivatives. Derivative of something to the third, that's going to be 3 times the something squared times the derivative of the inside. And then I have this extra term here that I write down, plus, then I have x squared plus 1 to the third times the derivative of something to the fourth. The derivative of something to the fourth is going to be 4 times the derivative of the something to the third times the derivative of the inside, which is 3x squared. Okay, now to simplify this. Now, what we certainly do not do is multiply out. Um, let's see, what can I do? There's an x squared plus 1 squared here. There's an x squared plus 1 to the third here. The lower power is squared, so I can factor out an x squared plus 1 squared. There's an x cubed minus 1 to the fourth here. There's an x cubed minus 1 to the third here. The lowest power is cubed, so I can pull out an x cubed minus 1 to the third. And I can do a little bit better, actually. So there's an x here, and there's an x squared here, so I can pull out an x. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12, so I can pull out 6. Okay, what's left? For this first bit, the 3 times 2x is 6x. I've accounted for that. X squared plus 1 squared. I've accounted for that. X cubed minus 1 to the third. This is supposed to be the fourth, so there's an extra x cubed minus 1 that I need to have inside so that this times this is equal to the first term. Plus. Okay, there's a 12x squared. I've already got 6x, so there needs to be an extra 2x to account for that. X squared plus 1 to the third. Here's an x squared plus 1 squared, so I need an extra x squared plus 1 to match that. And then x cubed minus 1 to the third, that matches the x cubed minus 1 to the third here. And so that that's everything. Okay, so now we just have to simplify the thing in brackets. 6x, x squared plus 1 squared, x cubed minus 1 to the third. And the thing in brackets will be x cubed minus 1 plus 2x cubed plus 2x. And so that's equal to 6x, x squared plus 1 squared, x cubed minus 1 to the third, times 3x cubed, combining the first and third terms. The last term is 2x, and then minus 1. And so that is the simplification of the derivative.